Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and today we've got another magnificent Cybertruck build. Check this thing out. This customer really got the works. I'm gonna run through everything that we did to this truck. Let's start with the wrap. This is TMaxx matte frosted white PPF. It's actually PPF film. We installed this here. It's got a little bit of a crystal metallic, just enough, not too much metallic, but just enough when the sunlight hits this between the matte and that frosted look. It's really kind of a mesmerizing look, a really cool way to put white on a Cybertruck. And of course, to go with that, we've tinted the windows, and then we've added a full ceramic treatment. This is TMaxx ceramic treatment specifically formulated for PPF. That covers the PPF on the car. Then we did the plastics and the glass. So full treatment for protection so this PPF really lasts forever. Now moving on from there, we've got 24-inch CT7 brushed satin wheels. These are fully forged wheels, 24-inch variety. And this is that brushed satin look. It's really a killer raw look, and it goes well with the frosted white look. Cybertruck vibes. Really hitting the DNA of Cybertruck on this. And of course you might notice the red calipers. Those are not caliper covers. We custom painted the calipers here. So the calipers are removed. We do a full paint job on them in the white. And again, it gives the Cybertruck a special look. And we've got Cybertruck font logos installed on those as well. Then finally, for a little extra light on the front of this, we've got our 40-inch curved light bar that goes right in the front bumper. Just an awesome look to wrap this thing up with the custom look. All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this build. Drop a comment below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of Cybertrucks to share with you.